Beautifully crafted chrome door sill plate. Will fit 1967 to 1972 Chevy and GMC trucks. Triple chrome plated finish. Fits left or right hand sides. Sold as single. United Pacific offers great quality product for your vehicle needs. From interior to exterior accessories and parts, browse through our wide selection. Top reviews from the United States. Came on time, once again the price was right. The part fit just right, looked good on my pickup, can't beat the price. Excellent. It looks like the original, using it on a remodel project.